If you want to change your Siri voice on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. So first head to settings and scroll down a bit and open Apple Intelligence and Siri and scroll down a bit. Here you can see voice. Click that. So first here you need to select variation. Either it's American accent, Australian, British, Irish, South African, Indian, anything. You just need to choose the accent. I just choose American.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Okay, now voices. You have 5 different voices, male and female, and tone variation. You just need to play one by one.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun. Clear night. The colors of the sky.
The colors of the
I select American variation and voice fourth one. So that's it, it's done. Hey Siri, you can see. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.